How to claim Node reward? We have to connect it. As soon as you connect, your back office has a section of red. Here it is clearly written, Reward NWS. It is fine here. Not reward comes, we have to click on it. As soon as we click on it, NWS reward is written below it. Claim all, i.e., as soon as you click on Claim all the tokens will be claimed and come to you. You see here, there are three things. Network fee is here. Low, middle, and high. Always select the network fee on high. What will happen with this? Transactions are fast. After doing it, as soon as we confirm it, very simple step, claim was done immediately. Where did the claim come after being done? It came inside our wallet. Let's see if it came inside our wallet or not. Let's see it. The receipt will be visible here. The first transaction. This one has been received successfully. It is okay. We had claimed 5,925 tokens just now. 5,925 tokens have arrived successfully. When did you claim it? We have just done it now. This clearance has arrived with us.